As a recording artist and as an entertainer and performer, I imagine that you have been able to go all kinds of places where you never thought you would go before.
Yeah.
Has that affected how you are as a performer, entertainer when you come back home, or how does home play into?
We're so lucky we live here, Bill, you know? Like, every time we go somewhere else, and it's always fun, you know, it's fun to travel, it's fun to see different places and new cultures and things, but I always am so happy to know that I get to go home to Hawaii. You know, this is the place that people want to come for vacation or they want to come to live, and I actually get to come home to it, you know. This is where I unpack my suitcase, you know.
The sun goes down and ends another day. Now it's just you and I, out in the starshine, moon bright, palm trees and candlelight. I guess you probably heard it all, but then, well, here it is, right or wrong. It's getting easier to love like you.
I love traveling, I love being around new people and new things, but after a while I just start to wilt like a flower, you know, without rain. Seriously, that's what I feel like when I go away. And so to come back home to Hawaii, it's that's all I need to keep me going, you know. So even though I will go and I'll come back, it's always the coming back part that I look forward to.